Pwede ba magdemanda ng contempt based lang sa mga balita, sa radyo o sa TV or news reports?
For example, nagsasalita ka sa media, tapos yung pagsasalita mo, parang binastos mo ang korte. To the extent na below the belt na, sinabihan mo na corrupt, bias, tuta, protector ng mga corrupt. So, pwede ka ma-demanda ng indirect contempt. But, ang tanong dyan, can you criticize the court? Can you criticize the decision of the court? As in the exercise of your freedom of press? Yes. As I repeat, as a Filipino citizen, we are a democratic and republican country. We have the right to criticize all government officials and employees, including courts. And public officials should not be onion skins, including justices of the Supreme Court. They should not be onion skin. But you can only criticize the courts, especially the justice of the Supreme Court, based on law, based on jurisprudence, based on legal doctrines. For example, sabihin mo na mali yung desisyon ng court kasi parang kailangan nila i-reconsider yun kasi parang nakaligtaan nila ang definition ng initiation sa impeachment. Yes, you can do that. You can criticize the court. Pero pag sabihin mo na yung court na yan, protector ng mga Duterte, yung court na yan, lahat 13 of the justices appointed by the Duterte, and Duterte has influence of the decision of the Supreme Court. Iba na yun. Iba na yun. Hindi na yan freedom of press. Freedom of press, freedom of expression is not a license to damage the reputation of the court. It is not a license. But I repeat, we have the right to criticize all government agencies, including the Supreme Court, but it should be within the bounds of the law.